How to add swing animation in Wix Studio. So your swing animation can be added into your image as well as button and text. So for this case, I'll choose image. Once you have clicked on your image, click onto this open inspector icon. Now click onto this lightning icon. Now in here, you can typically find the swing option on the entrance, hover, as well as loop. For this case, I'll choose loop and click onto this add. Now under that, you can see all of these cases. So what you can do is you can just click onto this swing and it should be able to show you what that animation should look like. And here it is right here. You can also adjust the animation by clicking on this and then choosing here the intensity, duration, as well as repeat delay. From that, just click on publish in order to save the changes. So that's how you add the swing animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.